Clapperboard 2026 Yamaha DT YouTube video script host plus visuals. Paragraph style, welcome back to C-Motor. Today, we are talking about a motorcycle that represents simplicity, reliability, and pure adventure spirit. The Imagine 2026 Yamaha DT. Visuals open with sunrise over a dirt trail, a lightweight dual sport silhouette parked beside a mountain path. The host begins by explaining that the DT lineup built Yamaha's off-road reputation for decades, and the DT remains one of the most loved, lightweight trail machines ever produced. The host continues while visuals show vintage bikes, transitioning into a futuristic concept render. The narration explains that if Yamaha brings a 2026 version, it would keep the classic DNA slim tank, high front fender, long travel suspension, and lightweight frame, designed for both dirt trails and city commuting. The camera slowly rotates around the bike, highlighting knobby tires, compact bodywork, and rally-inspired seat. The voiceover shifts to engine possibilities, as visuals show engine animation and riding shots across forest trails. A modern DT would likely feature a refined, single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth torque delivery, fuel efficiency, and durability. Unlike older two-stroke DT models, the new version would probably adopt modern fuel injection and emission-friendly engineering. While still delivering the playful riding character, the DT name is known for visuals transition to cockpit and lighting details. As the host discusses technology upgrades, a 2026 DT could feature a compact digital display, LED headlight system, improved braking with ABS, and upgraded suspension components. These additions would make the bike safer and more practical, without losing its lightweight simplicity. The host continues describing riding experience, while visuals show hill climbs, dirt drifting, and urban commuting scenes. The narration explains that the DT is designed for versatility, perfect for beginners, daily commuters, and weekend adventure riders. Its lightweight nature allows easy handling, confidence on rough terrain, and fun riding in tight city streets. The video moves into emotional storytelling, as visuals show riders exploring countryside, roads, and sunset trails. The host explains that DT motorcycles were never about extreme power, but about freedom, exploration, and mechanical simplicity. This emotional connection is why many classic DT models remain popular among enthusiasts today. The host then talks about market expectations, while visuals show showroom concept, lighting, and color variants. A 2026 DT could target riders who want affordable, adventure capability with retro styling and modern reliability. This positioning could make it attractive in developing markets. And among young adventure riders, as the music builds, cinematic riding shots show the bike splashing through mud and accelerating along gravel roads. The host emphasizes that a revived DT would not just be a motorcycle launch, it would represent the return of a legendary trail companion, built for exploration without limits. The video closes with sunset visuals. As the bike rides into horizon dust, the host thanks viewers and reminds them that, while the 2026 Yamaha DT remains a concept idea, for now the excitement around DT revival shows how powerful motorcycle heritage can be. The final frame displays the C-Motor logo, while the engine sound fades out, and the host invites viewers to like, subscribe, and comment whether Yamaha should officially bring back